Hi, I'm Nunu, and welcome to Too New For You, or So It Seems. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Today I want to just show you the Sewers Club finished project. So, let's get right on into it, you guys. It's called the Cupid's Catch-All. It was a very, very fun project to make. Let me show you. So, I did a live last week, and I actually cut the pieces out to this project in my live. So if you do want to see me cut those pieces out, you can go ahead and check out that live, and that'll be there. I show you all the measurements and how to measure and then cut out the fabric. So today's video is just going to start with me applying the interfacing and then going through some of the steps I took to create this project. Let's get right on into it. So now I'm just going to fuse the glue side of piece A to the fusible foam, measuring 19 by 19, to the wrong side of piece A of fabric A. So now I'm just sewing along the marked lines at a diagonal curve using a straight stitch. So now I'm just going to take good sides together. Okay, so I went ahead and stitched it up. So now I'm just going to flip it over, give it a good press, and then I'm going to turn it over and then stitch all the way around on the edge. So now we are on the zipper pocket assembly. So I'm just going to go ahead and follow the steps and get the zipper part going. Okay, so we had to cut the foam. So we take the guide and then we just draw a line. So we know where we're going to put the foam at. Mark it. So now we're going to cut piece C is measuring 15 by 15. We're just going to cut that in half. Then we're going to move the left half over to the right side and align them together so that we can join them together. And then we're going to be cutting them into strips. And the strips is going to be about 1.5 inches. And we're going to cut 3 of those. So I already went ahead and applied the binding all the way around. So now I'm just going to cut this even. And then I'm going to take the pieces and I'm going to find the middle. And then I'm going to mark them so that I can join them together. Okay, so this is how it looks now. Now I just have to flip over the binding, double fold it, then we should be good to go. Let's do that now. Now, are you ready for the finished project? Here we go, y'all. Before I show you, I did all that, then I ain't gonna show you. No, here go the scraps that I have left from the project. I'm gonna show you the project, bro. Here it is, signed, sealed, delivered, it's yours. No, I love this project. It was so fun to make, you guys. It was so fun to make. So, I love it. It got 2 snaps on it. Got the little zipper tape. The only thing is, I just wish that it had a handle so you can hold it. That's the only thing. But other than that, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. I really like it. It turns out really nice, right? Great project. I just wish that it was green, because if it was green, I use it all the time. If you can't tell, green is my favorite color. So I do have a lot of green in my sewing space. I'm also going to be showing you a tour of my sewing space. That video is going to come out next week. So be sure to come back so you can check that video out. So thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. I really, truly appreciate you. Don't forget, sew it up, and watch how it turns out. Bye.